Hey friend, in this video, we're going to talk about the word talisman. Talisman is a noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Talisman means a lucky charm. One more time. Talisman is a noun and it means a lucky charm. So we can better understand the meaning, let's check out some example sentences. Example number 1. The medicine man sold talismans that were supposed to keep people healthy. The medicine man sold talismans that were supposed to keep people healthy. So the medicine man was selling lucky charms, and he told people if they bought the lucky charms, they would stay healthy. Example number 2. Mark is superstitious. He carries a rabbit foot as a talisman. Mark is superstitious. He carries a rabbit foot as a talisman or as a lucky charm. If you like learning new words with me, click that like button. That helps me out so much. I want to keep making videos that you will enjoy. And in the comments section, write an example sentence using today's word. Check out the bottom of the screen to see how many syllables are in the word talisman. And also check out the phonetic spelling of the word. That will help you pronounce the word better. Let's practice pronunciation together. Talisman. 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 If you need to repeat that section again, go ahead and repeat it as many times as you need until you feel comfortable pronouncing the word. Thanks for watching this video. I'm sorry there's no talismans I can give you, no lucky charms I can give you to help you learn English better. You have to practice, practice, practice. If you want to check out some more videos to practice with, check out these videos.